Hi, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Podcast, the place to practice real American conversations.
Hello. Today, we are going to practice real conversations you have every day in America, from morning greetings, coffee shops, stores, asking directions, to evening chats at home.
Yes, and we will go slowly, repeat sentences, explain vocabulary, and give you time to practice along with us.
Exactly. If you repeat after us, you will start speaking more naturally. Don't worry about mistakes, just try to speak out loud.
Morning greetings at work or school. 4 minutes.
Let's start with greetings. Short greetings are very common in the morning.
Yes, for example, good morning. How are you?
And the answer, good morning. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Let's practice together. Say it out loud with us. Good morning. How are you? Pause 5 seconds. Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Great. You can also ask about their weekend. Did you have a good weekend?
Or at school. What class do you have next?
Let's do a full dialogue. I'll be a coworker. Lily will be the learner.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm great. Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I went to the park. How about you?
I stayed home and watched a movie.
Short and simple, right?
Yes, and listeners, repeat this dialogue aloud. Don't just listen, speak.
Next, let's practice ordering coffee or drinks.
At a coffee shop, you might hear, "Hello, welcome. What can I get for you?"
And you can say, "Hi, I would like a medium coffee, please."
They may ask, "Do you want milk or sugar?"
And you answer, "Yes, a little milk, please."
Now we do the full dialogue. Repeat after us.
Hi, I would like a latte, please.
Sure. Would you like milk or sugar?
A little milk, please.
That'll be $4.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Notice the short sentences, easy for beginners.
Listeners, pause and repeat each sentence aloud. Take your time.
Now we practice shopping at the grocery store.
You can ask, "Excuse me, where's the bread?"
And the worker may say, "It's in aisle 5, next to the milk."
Then you can say, "Thank you very much."
Here's a full dialogue. Repeat slowly after us. Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
Where can I find the eggs?
Aisle 3, next to the butter.
Thank you.
You see? Short sentences, clear questions, easy to repeat.
Listeners, repeat this dialogue 2 to 3 times. Next, we practice asking directions.
Start with, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Then, where is the nearest bus stop? How can I get to Main Street?
Let's do a dialogue. Repeat slowly.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the library is?
Yes, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. The library is on your left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Remember, repeat aloud 2 to 3 times. Short sentences make real conversations easier.
Phone call practice. Many beginners feel nervous about phone calls, but short sentences work well.
Start with, "Hello, this is Lily. I'm calling about..."
Or, "Can you help me? I have a question about."
Let's do a dialogue. Repeat after us. "Hello, this is Lily. I have a question about my appointment."
Sure. What is your question?
Can I change the time to 3 p.m. instead of 2 p.m.?
Yes, that's fine. I've changed your appointment.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Listeners, pause and repeat each line aloud. Now let's practice ordering food at a restaurant. This is very common in America.
Yes, even beginners can do it with simple sentences.
Start with, "Hi, I would like to order..."
Or, "Can I have the, please?"
Let's do a full dialogue. Repeat slowly. "Hi, I would like to order a cheeseburger and fries, please."
Sure. Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, a small soda, please.
That'll be $8.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Listeners, repeat each line aloud 2 to 3 times. This builds confidence for real conversations. Evening conversations at home.
Next, let's practice evening conversations at home.
Yes, talking about your day or plans is very common.
For example, "Hi, how was your day?"
It was good. I worked and studied English. How about you?
Or talking about dinner. "What's for dinner tonight?" "I'm making pasta. Do you want some?"
Let's do a dialogue together. Repeat after us. Hi, how was your day?
"It was good. I worked and cooked dinner. How about you?"
I went for a walk and relaxed.
"That sounds nice. What's for dinner tonight?"
I'm making chicken and vegetables. Do you want some?
"Yes, please. Thank you."
Even if it's only 4 or 5 sentences, you're practicing real English every day.
Making small talk with neighbors or friends. 3 minutes.
Now we practice small talk, talking with neighbors or friends.
Short sentences work well here too. For example, "Hi, beautiful weather today, isn't it?"
Yes, it's perfect for a walk.
Or, at a party, "Hi, how do you know the host?"
We are friends from work. Let's do a dialogue. Repeat after us. Hi, how are you today?
"I'm good, thanks. How about you?"
I'm fine. Did you go anywhere this weekend?
"Yes, I visited the museum. It was fun."
That sounds interesting.
Notice how short, clear sentences are enough for a real conversation.
Reviewing key phrases and vocabulary. 4 minutes.
Now let's review some important phrases from today's conversations.
Yes, repeat each phrase after us. Excuse me, to get someone's attention politely.
Can you help me? When asking for assistance.
Where is asking for directions?
I would like. Can I have? Ordering food or drinks.
Thank you. You're welcome. Basic politeness.
How was your day? Talking about daily activities.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Greetings.
Enjoy your meal. Saying after ordering food or at a restaurant.
Repeat each phrase slowly and try to use it in your own sentences today.
Practice exercise for listeners. 3 minutes.
It's time for a short practice exercise.
Yes, imagine you're in a coffee shop. Repeat after us.
Hi, I would like a medium coffee, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, a little milk, please. How much is it?
This will be $3.50.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Pause and repeat this dialogue aloud 2 to 3 times. Try to say it naturally.
Next, imagine asking directions. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The bus stop is on your right.
Again, repeat aloud. Don't worry about mistakes. Motivational closing. 2 minutes.
Before we end today's podcast, let's give a little motivation.
Remember, English is about communicating, not being perfect. Every sentence you say is progress.
Short daily conversations, coffee shops, stores, asking directions, small talk, all add up to fluency over time.
Try practicing 1 to 2 short conversations every day. Record yourself if you can. Listen, repeat, and improve slowly.
You are already making progress just by listening and repeating today.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, and soon real American conversations will feel natural.
Thanks for joining us today on Easy English Podcast.
See you next time. Keep practicing and enjoy your English journey.
DB and Lily, goodbye everyone.